Hi guys, Thomas here. So as you can see, I'm sitting at home. I'm not in the workshop tonight, but I've got something pretty exciting to tell you. As you know, for the BPM 100 engine, we'll be making the injector out of coaxial swirling elements. And in principle, we could make those swirling elements on our own machine park. It would take quite a while, because for a full BPM 100 engine, we'll need about 150 of them. So we were fortunate enough that a company in Jutland, they reached out to us and asked if we would like them to do it for us. And of course, we would love that. So the good guys at PH Spaanteknik in Ålestrup, they're doing them for us. And in a couple of days, we'll receive the first shipment of some test elements, and then we will brace them together and we will run them in our upcoming water flow test system. And so big thank you to Henrik from PH Spaanteknik for making the first prototype swirls for us. And Henrik also recorded a bit of video from machining these swirler elements. So let's take a look at how they machined the elements for us. Pretty cool stuff, right? And I bet some of you got a little bit surprised in the end to see how small these elements actually are. Now, next up is bracing some of these elements, so stay tuned on our channel to see how that goes. And again, big thanks to Henrik from PH Spaanteknik for making these elements for us.